we are promoting you, right? And we are also giving you a cash reward, right? Which we hope that you are able to use for your further development, as Dr. Baburi said, that you are able to use that for your further development of your personality, so that you grow up to become a leader, right? And most importantly, we are appointing you as NAHCO's brand ambassador. So which of the letters would you want to receive first? You know the part of the world where I come from, cash comes in the last time. But no, honestly, it's your choice. Wow. I wanted to hear that one first, but doctor, you have to come in. So, I'll read it out. Dear Awal, appointment as NAHCO Brand Ambassador. We are pleased to inform you, please come here. We are pleased to inform you that you have been appointed as a brand ambassador of the NAHCO Nigerian Aviation Handling Company, effective 30th August 2024. This is because of your recent demonstration of uncommon integrity by returning $10,000 that you found while on a cabin cleaning assignment. As a brand ambassador, you will be responsible for promoting and showcasing our brand. We are excited to have you on board and look forward to a successful tenure, subject to your continued good performance and conduct in your private and public interviews. Right? Congratulations. On behalf of NAHCO, it's me who has signed it. Put your hands.
Congratulations. God bless you. Give me a hug.